New Samsung app may have unintentionally disclosed upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7. Here's what we music know. Excitement is mounting for the unveiling of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and a recent revelation could offer the clues we've been hoping for. According to Galaxy Club, Samsung has launched a new software titled Samsung Internet Browser for Z Fold 7 on the Galaxy Store. This browser is Samsung's in-house alternative to Chrome and other mobile browsing platforms, and the dedicated branding for the Z Fold 7 clearly identifies its intended target. The listing remains accessible and outlines several expected launch features, such as customizable interfaces and integrated ad blocking. The creation of a browser tailored for hardware not yet available suggests Samsung's upcoming foldables are nearing release. Curiously, the software cannot be found via search on the Galaxy Store when accessed through a Samsung handset running Android 15 with One UI 7. Rather, it only appears on a Galaxy S25 operating with Android 16 and One UI 8, albeit under a different name, as illustrated in the attached image. Regardless of how it's accessed, both versions display the identical version number. The core implication of this development is that it likely confirms the names of the two devices we're expecting. However, it's important to point out that the previously speculated Galaxy Z Fold Ultra isn't mentioned in this app. Samsung has recently outlined its ambition for a foldable that prioritizes artificial intelligence capabilities. Nevertheless, this announcement stopped short of providing an official name or launch date, only that a premium-grade foldable is forthcoming. While we await confirmation, this new app listing adds fuel to the excitement surrounding Samsung's advanced foldable tech. New leaks have uncovered fascinating details regarding the next-generation foldable lineup. A recent batch of reports has revealed possible specs and color variants for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. For instance, it's believed that the Z Fold 7 will offer a baseline setup of 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, with further options of 12 GB RAM paired with 512 GB, and a top-tier model boasting 16 GB RAM and 1 TB storage. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is tipped to arrive with either 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM, plus storage choices of 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB. This new app listing implies that the Z Fold 7's official debut could be imminent, with many insiders pointing to a Galaxy Unpacked event set for July. We'll keep providing updates as new leaks and official information emerge. Beyond these developments, Samsung has signaled the introduction of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 Ultra. It's clear the brand intends to ship the Galaxy Z Fold 7 to retailers this summer, likely coinciding with the much-anticipated July launch event. But it also seems that at least one additional foldable model will accompany it as Samsung expands its flagship foldable portfolio. On June 3rd, Samsung announced plans to introduce a more powerful version of the Galaxy Z Fold and teased the handset in a promotional video. Though light on technical specifics, the teaser highlighted the pivotal role AI will play in the Galaxy Z Fold Ultra. According to Samsung, the device will be equipped with industry-defining components, exceptional performance benchmarks, and seamless AI-driven software optimized for the foldable form factor. Once unfolded, the device is expected to convert into an immersive entertainment screen, expansive productivity space, or multitasking hub powered by advanced Galaxy AI tools engineered for this format. These Galaxy AI tools debuted in January alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Samsung introduced pioneering AI-powered functionalities, including a sketch-to-image feature that converts user-drawn sketches in Samsung Notes into polished visuals via generative AI. Notably, this capability is expected to roll out to other flagship Samsung devices in an upcoming software patch. Based on this latest teaser and AI-centric announcement, it appears the new foldable device's features may be uniquely tailored to exploit the foldable design, though enthusiasts widely refer to it as the Ultra. On the design front, animations suggest this upcoming model folds like a book, akin to the Z Fold 6, and this format will likely continue with the Galaxy Z Fold 7. It remains unclear whether this new device will sport a larger screen than the current 7.6-inch inner display, or if Samsung will retain the dimensions and instead focus on integrating AI enhancements. There's also the possibility that this new foldable may not merely be a companion to the Galaxy Z Fold 7 but instead could be the Z Fold 7 itself, or at least a special variant of Samsung's book-style foldable launching this year. Besides AI innovation, Samsung's teaser hinted at a next-level camera system, fueling speculation that its main sensor could rival the 200MP lens featured on the recently introduced Galaxy S25 Ultra and S25 Edge. By comparison, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 houses a 50MP primary camera. Alongside the new Galaxy Fold's cutting-edge capabilities, consumers are eagerly awaiting pricing details. The Z Fold 6 launched at $1,899, ranking among the priciest smartphones on the market, and expectations are that the Z Fold 7 will maintain this price bracket. That raises the pressing question: will the new model, or the Ultra, command an even higher price tag? Numerous leaks point to Samsung widening its foldable offerings, including a potential Galaxy G Fold with a tri-fold display. Some sources suggest the G Fold might arrive this year, although animations shown during Samsung's announcement hint that distinct models are in development. Conversations have also surfaced around a refined Galaxy Z Flip variant designed as a more economical model to rival Motorola's clamshell-style Razr, which retails at $699. However, that design adopts an entirely different structure. Samsung has not officially confirmed whether the Galaxy Fold Ultra will launch this year, though many anticipate it could be unveiled during the summer's Galaxy Unpacked event. Regarding design refinement, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 might include titanium construction, contributing to a sleeker, lighter hinge. Titanium has become a go-to material for manufacturers like Samsung and Apple, aiming to cut down device weight without sacrificing strength. While much of this transition is aesthetics-driven, Samsung could leverage titanium for functional and usability benefits in future foldables. A new report from the Outlet claims that Samsung is preparing redesigned hinges for both the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy G Fold, featuring titanium hinge backplates, though it's still unclear whether the entire hinge will utilize titanium. This claim echoes a similar rumor from last year ahead of the Z Fold SAXS debut, which ultimately did not materialize, as Samsung stuck with carbon fiber reinforced plastic in line with prior generations. However, the Galaxy Z Fold SE, allegedly the blueprint for the Z Fold 7, has reportedly made the leap to titanium. You might be wondering why titanium matters. Its primary advantage lies in being